What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Twisted Angle Garage. This is day 3 on our air conditioner install on the 66 C10. Today we are going to try to get the air compressor bolted onto the engine, get the condenser put in, radiator put back in, maybe get some lines, maybe the dryer put in. Not necessarily done, probably just get the lines mocked up because I don't cut them until I'm just about completely done and actually cut them and crimp them. So let's see what all we can get done today. So make sure you like, subscribe, follow along, share with your friends. Here we go. First thing we got to do is get this quick performance bracket installed on the engine, and we'll get the compressor put on it. This thing has about 1 million little spacers and stuff to go on, so I've got them all laid out over here. Next step, we have to get the battery tray out. We have to drill a hole underneath so we can get the lines to come through for the condenser. So let's get this battery tray out. Alright, we got the hole cut in the core support for the lines to go through for the condenser. Got the grommet in there. So now we can take the condenser, set it on the workbench, and get the brackets put on it, and then we can put the dryer on it and we can put it on the truck. So let's move on to that. Now we've got to get the hard lines hooked up here and run through the core support. Maybe it... lines run to the core support, we've got to put these little brackets on here to keep the lines evenly spaced so they don't vibrate. It's just a couple of clamps and a bolt that goes in the middle. Alright, next step, we got to get this liquid line. Comes off the condenser dryer, comes off them lines to the core support and goes to the evaporator. So, next step, we got to get the rubber hoses put on, and they're cut to length, and then you have to crimp them. You have to have a special crimper to do this. So if you don't have one, cut them, get them all fit, mark them, and then take them to an AC machine or AC shop, and they will crimp them for you. It's super easy to do. I've got my own crimper, so we'll just get it taken care of. So let's get these put on. And remember, don't just unscrew these things because they will blow off. Now it's safe to take off. Everybody, that's going to wrap it up for this video. We got the condenser in, AC hoses made, most everything under the hood done. I got to put a belt on it, get to the electric fan put back in. Started doing the wiring. We get up under the dash tomorrow and get the vents put in, get the wiring done under the dash. Really start to button a lot of things up on it. We'll get the AC charged on it tomorrow. It's all sealed up. We could actually hook the machine up to it now, but I'll just wait until in the morning and do that tomorrow. So make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends, and follow along.